I see a red door and I want it painted black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. I see the girls with bio dressed in their summer clothes. Hey everyone, I'm Chris, this is English Be Good. Today I've got my guitar for the whole class. Yeah, I should make it a bit easier to tell when I'm reading the lyrics and explaining them. And I'm a bit higher up because I've got a new chair, so I'm pretty happy about that. And today we're doing the Rolling Stones and we're doing Painted Black, which is a really upbeat driving song which you probably will have heard in many film soundtracks. But it's a bit sad, yeah, the lyrics aren't so happy, which you will discover shortly. Well, actually, let's get straight into it now. The first chord is E minor, if you want to play along at home. I see a red door and I want it painted black. Okay, so here he sees this red door. He doesn't want it to be red, he wants it to be black because he's feeling sad. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. To turn black means to become black. And yeah, no more colors because I'm feeling sad, I want it to be black. I see the girls walk by all dressed in their summer clothes. Again, you see some girls walking by in brightly coloured clothes because it's summer. And now, too much colour. Next line. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes. Okay, so to turn your head, to look away. He doesn't want to see them because he's feeling his darkness. No, he's feeling sad. He doesn't want to see any colour, no doors, no girls, no summer clothes. Keep it dark. Next verse. I see a line of cars and they're all painted black. Okay, so he sees a load of black cars, which you'd imagine you'd be okay with because he likes everything black. But I think it's because he's at a funeral, and we normally have black cars in a funeral. With flowers and my love, both never to come back. Okay, so the flowers, here we have flowers at the funeral. I guess when flowers die at the funeral, they never come back. In the same way as his love, his girl, who we think has sadly died, will never come back, never return. I see people turn their heads and quickly look away. So if you imagine he's at the funeral, he notices people looking at him. But when they catch eye contact, quickly look away because they don't want him to think that they're looking at him, but they are. Next line. Like a newborn baby, it just happens every day. Okay, so here he's comparing death to birth and trying to rationalize it because he's saying, okay, people are born every day, people die every day. I don't know if that helps him though, because look, next verse. I look inside myself and see my heart is black. He sees his heart is black because inside, outside, everywhere you go, black, depressed, negative, no light. I see my red door and I must have it painted black. So now, again, it's like the first verse. He must have it painted black. He can't have it red. Maybe then I'll fade away and not have to face the facts. So to fade away is to disappear slowly. And he's thinking about himself. If he just disappears, maybe he dies himself or somewhere disappears into the background. He won't have to face the facts, which is a expression that means to face reality, to admit that something is bad, to deal with it. It's not easy to face it when your whole world is black. So to face up to something. Again, it's very similar to deal with it. If you imagine, well, you're using your face here to face up, meaning to challenge it, to take it head on, we say sometimes as well. Not trying to avoid it. But his whole world is black. So it's very difficult to do this at this stage. Next verse. No more will my green sea go turn a deeper blue. Okay, so the sea, the ideal sea for us is a deep blue sea. His sea is not the right color, so it's not correct. He's not feeling right. Okay, he's comparing his feelings to the color of the sea. I could not foresee this thing happening to you. To foresee means to predict. Okay, it's like before, no? It's like before something, to see something before, to foresee. He couldn't foresee this happening to you. I think this means basically that what's happened with his girlfriend dying was so unpredictable. I can't imagine this happening to anyone. Okay, next. Change of rhythm. If I look high enough into the setting sun. Next line as well. My love will laugh with me before the morning comes. Okay, so this could be two things. One, it could be a superstition. If he looks hard enough and really stares into the setting sun, then maybe he will fall asleep. And in the morning, he'll wake up and his girlfriend is back with him laughing and everything's good again. It's like some kind of superstition. It could be that he wants to fall asleep. The sun is setting and he wants to fall asleep and be with her, united with her in his dreams. Could be either of those, I'm not sure. Okay, next verse is more or less a repeat. There's a bit of an outro where he's kind of improvising a bit and he compares black to black as the night. Black as the night and black as coal. Coal is what we put on the barbecue to burn, to cook our food. It's very black. And then he says, I want to see the sun blotted out of the sky. So to blot out is to block or cover so you can't see it. Here I think it's also the memories. Okay, so you can blot out your memories. Cover it up so you don't have to see it or deal with it. So the song is, like I say, it's a bit sad lyrics wise, but the music is really marching. We have this rhythm which is really upbeat, and for that reason I love it. We're going to go through the song now, the lyrics, singing all together. Hopefully this will help you remember the song. And the key phrases of the song were to come back, meaning to return, which everyone knows, don't they? To look away, just to look in a different direction to avoid looking at something. To fade away means to disappear slowly. To face the facts and face up to something, it's kind of similar. Face the facts, to admit that something is bad or the reality and you don't really want it, but you have to admit that this is real and I need to deal with it. And to face up, similar, it means to challenge it, to challenge head on or solve a problem. And then blot out, which was to cover like a memory or to cover something so you can't see it. Okay, great.
I see a red door and I want it painted black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. I see the girls with fire dressed in their summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes. I see a line of cars and they're all painted black, with flowers on my love boat, never to come back. I see people turn their heads and quickly look away, like a newborn baby, it just happens every day. I look inside myself and see that my heart is black. I see my red door, I must have it painted black. Maybe then I'll fade away and I'll have to face the facts. It's not easy facing up when your whole world is black. No more will my green seagull turn a deeper blue. I could not foresee this thing happening to you. If I look hard enough into the setting sun, my love will laugh with me, and before the morning comes, I see a red door and I want to paint it black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. I see the girls walk by all dressed in a summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes. Paint it black, black as the night, black as cold. I wanna see the sun blotted out of the sky. I wanna see it painted black, painted black. I had to do some falsetto at the end because I can't sing like Mick Jagger.
So, this is the end of the video. I love this one, Miba. You can do all this surfy kind of stuff. Anyway, I'll be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching. My name's Chris. This is English. You good? If you can subscribe or share with friends, that would be really cool. I'm gonna go and play my guitar. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.